The thickness is exactly 2.5 millimeters. That matches the spec sheet here. The tolerance is good. The tolerance on this piston is exactly 0.002 millimeters.
Confirmed. The block alignment is perfect.
जिससे GT-R कहता है।
That one's set.
Looks good, moving on. The caliper reads 5.24 millimeters here.
Yeah.
Confirmed. The bore depth is exactly to spec.
That's the click. Check the other side.
Looks good, boss. Solid. Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the harness.
Yeah, the harness. Clear on this side, a little to the left.
Perfect.
Watch the clearance on the lower arm.
I'm hitting the first bolt now.
Confirmed. Let's move it out.
Torque wrench is set.
Got it. Final check on the pressure. Looks good. Did you get the click on the rear bolt?
Yep, right there. Final check on the front rail now.
Rerouting the power cycle now. Check the infotainment response.
Response is immediate. Looks like we have full systems green.
The metallic flake alignment is perfect. Look at how the light bars reflect.
Absolutely flawless. The gauge confirms the consistency across the panel.
Data stream is perfectly stable now.
Excellent.
The adjustments worked.
How does the gap look on your side? Perfect. Go ahead and tighten it up.
Feeler gauge shows 0.05 variation here.
Acceptable. The laser scan confirms alignment is spot on.
See how the heat shield is warped right above the catalytic converter.
That explains the temperature spikes we logged earlier.
The spike stabilized after the bypass. We are showing green across all parameters now.
Confirmed. Diagnostics complete.